Welcome to 37 Cessna Crescent, Mangere, a beautiful and functional 2-story, 3-bedroom home that offers an exceptional value for first home buyers, growing families or investors. I'm Samantha Chaudhary from Harcourt Green Lane. Let's go and have a look. Live in a home that's all about comfort, style and is low maintenance. This hidden gem includes a spacious air-conditioned living area with a dedicated dining area. Let's go and see upstairs. We have 3 generously sized bedrooms. The property contains well-designed washrooms on both floors, laundry and utility convenience. And outside, a hedged front porch enables privacy, while the patio out the back offers the opportunity for you to grow your own garden. This home also includes 1 open car space, lots of off-street parking, and whether you are looking to step onto the property ladder or add a strong performer to your investment portfolio, this home is a smart choice. Located in a friendly and well-connected neighborhood, you will enjoy close proximity to parks, schools, public transport, and local shops at the Mangere Town Centre and the recently opened Manawa Bay. This is a great opportunity to secure a quality home. Give us a call to make an appointment or come and see us in one of our open homes.